reception is indeed a demonstration of great friendship. Today, America is in the midst of a frightening moral slump. You are convened here, and not alone to nominate a president and a vice president, but to declare anew the principles and ideals which must guide our country. Yours is the task to stop this moral retreat, to lead the attack and recapture the meaning of the word America. Thus can opportunity and the spiritual future of your children be assured. And thus you will win the gratitude of posterity and the blessing of Almighty God. Thank you.